The performance gap is a crucial concept in the journey toward achieving millionaire status, representing the distance between an individual's current financial situation and their desired financial goals. This gap highlights the disparity between where one is now and where one aspires to be, serving as a critical indicator of the steps needed to reach financial success. Understanding this gap is essential, as it allows individuals to identify the specific areas that require improvement and to develop a clear roadmap toward their financial objectives. Recognizing the performance gap not only motivates individuals to take action, but also helps them to set realistic and achievable milestones along the way. By acknowledging the challenges that lie ahead, individuals can better prepare themselves to tackle obstacles and stay focused on their financial aspirations. Furthermore, understanding this gap is vital for creating effective strategies that can bridge the divide between current circumstances and future goals. It encourages individuals to assess their financial habits, investment strategies, and income sources, enabling them to make informed decisions that align with their aspirations. As we delve deeper into this topic, we will explore practical strategies that can help bridge the performance gap, empowering individuals to take actionable steps toward financial independence. These strategies will encompass various aspects of personal finance, including budgeting, investing, and wealth-building techniques, all aimed at closing the gap between where one currently stands and where they wish to be. By implementing these strategies, individuals can transform their financial landscape and move closer to achieving millionaire status, ultimately realizing their dreams of financial freedom and security. The performance gap can be defined as the difference between an individual's current financial status and their ultimate financial goals. This gap significantly impacts financial success, as it often delineates the paths taken by millionaires compared to those who struggle financially. Millionaires typically have a clear understanding of their financial objectives and actively work to bridge this gap through disciplined saving, strategic investing, and continuous learning. In contrast, individuals facing financial difficulties may lack a defined plan, leading to missed opportunities and stagnation. For instance, I recall a friend who, despite earning a decent salary, found himself living paycheck to paycheck. He often indulged in impulsive spending, unaware of how it widened his performance gap. After realizing the importance of budgeting and setting clear financial goals, he began to track his expenses and save diligently. Over time, he closed that gap, ultimately achieving financial stability and even investing in his first property. This personal anecdote underscores the importance of recognizing and addressing the performance gap in one's financial journey. I encourage viewers to reflect on their own financial paths. Are you aware of your performance gap? What steps can you take to bridge it? By assessing your current situation and setting actionable goals, you can begin to close the gap that separates you from financial success. Remember, understanding where you stand is the first step toward creating a plan that leads to wealth accumulation. Embracing this journey requires commitment and a willingness to change. But the rewards of closing the performance gap can lead to a more secure and prosperous future. To discover your unique value zone for wealth creation, a practical exercise involves creating a Venn diagram that highlights your passions, skills, and marketable services. Start by drawing 3 overlapping circles. In the first circle, list your passions, activities or topics that excite you and bring you joy. In the second circle, write down your skills, abilities you possess, whether they are technical, creative, or interpersonal. Finally, in the third circle, identify marketable services, what people are willing to pay for based on your passions and skills. The intersection of these 3 circles represents your unique value zone, where your interests align with profitable opportunities. Understanding this alignment is crucial for financial success. When you engage in work that you are passionate about and skilled in, you are more likely to excel and find fulfillment, which can lead to increased income. For example, consider someone who loves cooking, passion, has excellent culinary skills, and offers meal prep services, marketable service. This individual can create a thriving business by combining these elements. Another example is a graphic designer who enjoys storytelling, passion, possesses design expertise, skill, and provides branding services, marketable service. By focusing on this unique value zone, they can attract clients who appreciate their distinctive approach. As you work through this exercise, reflect on how your unique combination can lead to wealth creation. Embrace the process of identifying your value zone, as it can open doors to opportunities that not only generate income, but also bring you personal satisfaction and fulfillment. By aligning your passions and skills with market demand, you set the stage for a successful and rewarding financial journey. Selecting the right business model is crucial for generating income, as it can significantly influence your financial success and sustainability. One of the first distinctions to understand is between active and passive income vehicles. Active income requires continuous effort and time, such as working a job or running a service-based business where you trade hours for dollars. In contrast, passive income allows you to earn money with minimal ongoing effort, such as through investments, royalties, or automated online businesses. While both income types have their merits, starting with active income can provide a solid foundation for financial stability. For those just beginning their entrepreneurial journey, service-based businesses often present an excellent opportunity for initial income generation. These businesses typically require lower startup costs and can be launched quickly, allowing you to leverage your skills and expertise. For instance, freelance writing, consulting, or graphic design can generate immediate cash flow while you build your brand and client base. This approach not only helps you gain valuable experience, but also allows you to reinvest your earnings into more scalable ventures later on. Timing is another critical factor when choosing business ventures. The market landscape is constantly evolving, and being aware of trends can help you identify the right moment to launch your business. For example, during economic downturns, certain services may be in higher demand, while emerging technologies can create new opportunities for innovative business models. By carefully considering the timing of your entry into the market, you can position yourself for greater success. Ultimately, selecting the right business model tailored to your skills, interests, and market conditions is essential for generating sustainable income and achieving long-term financial goals. Investing plays a vital role as a passive income vehicle and is a powerful long-term wealth-building strategy. Unlike active income, where you trade time for money, investing allows your money to work for you, generating returns over time with minimal ongoing effort. By allocating funds into various assets, such as stocks, bonds, or real estate, you can create a diversified portfolio that grows in value, providing you with passive income through dividends, interest, or rental income. To get started with investing, follow this step-by-step guide to set up your investment accounts. First, determine your financial goals and risk tolerance. Understanding your objectives will help you choose the right investment strategy. Next, select a brokerage firm or investment platform that aligns with your needs. Many online platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and low fees, making it easier for beginners to start investing. After selecting a platform, open an investment account, which may include options like a standard brokerage account or a tax-advantaged retirement account, such as an IRA. Once your account is set up, it's time to research and create a custom investment portfolio. Consider diversifying your investments across different asset classes to mitigate risk. Look into index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for a low-cost way to gain exposure to a broad market. Additionally, explore individual stocks or bonds that align with your interests and financial goals. Remember, investing is a long-term commitment, and it's essential to stay informed about market trends and adjust your portfolio as needed. By taking these steps and actively managing your investments, you can harness the power of passive income and build lasting wealth over time. Effectively managing limited resources is crucial for achieving financial success and building wealth. Time, money, and energy are finite resources, and how you allocate them can significantly impact your progress toward your financial goals. To start, it's essential to analyze how you currently distribute these resources. Take a moment to assess where your time is spent. Are you dedicating hours to activities that yield little return on investment? Similarly, evaluate your financial expenditures. Are you investing in opportunities that contribute to your wealth building? Or are you spending on non-essential items? Lastly, consider your energy levels. Are you focusing your efforts on high-impact activities? Or are you spreading yourself too thin across various tasks? Prioritizing activities that contribute to wealth building is vital. Focus on tasks that align with your financial goals, such as investing in education, networking, or developing skills that can enhance your earning potential. For instance, if you're considering starting a side business, allocate time and resources to research and planning rather than getting distracted by less impactful activities. However, it's important to be cautious about spreading your resources too thin. When you attempt to juggle too many projects or commitments, you risk diluting your efforts and achieving subpar results. This can lead to burnout and frustration, ultimately hindering your progress. Instead, concentrate on a few key initiatives that have the potential for significant returns. By managing your limited resources effectively, you can maximize your impact and create a more focused approach to wealth building. Remember, the goal is to work smarter, not harder, ensuring that every resource you allocate contributes meaningfully to your financial success. In the pursuit of financial goals, it's essential to differentiate between obstacles and excuses. Obstacles are genuine challenges that can impede your progress, such as a lack of funds, time constraints, or unexpected life events. These are real barriers that require thoughtful solutions and strategies to overcome. On the other hand, excuses often stem from fear, procrastination, or a reluctance to step outside one's comfort zone. They can serve as mental roadblocks that prevent you from taking action toward your financial aspirations. Recognizing this distinction is crucial for personal growth and success. To effectively confront and overcome personal obstacles, start by identifying what stands in your way. Write down the specific challenges you face and brainstorm actionable steps to address them. For instance, if you struggle with budgeting, consider seeking financial education resources or consulting a financial advisor. By tackling these obstacles head-on, you empower yourself to move forward. Reframing challenges as opportunities for growth is another powerful strategy. Instead of viewing setbacks as failures, consider them valuable lessons that can enhance your resilience and problem-solving skills. For example, if a business venture doesn't go as planned, analyze what went wrong and use that knowledge to inform your future decisions. This mindset shift can transform obstacles into stepping stones toward your goals. Lastly, persistence is key in achieving your dreams. The road to financial success is rarely linear, and setbacks are inevitable. However, maintaining a steadfast commitment to your goals, even in the face of adversity, will ultimately lead to success. Embrace the journey. Stay focused on your objectives, and remember that every challenge you overcome brings you one step closer to realizing your financial dreams. Continuous learning is a cornerstone of wealth accumulation, significantly enhancing your ability to make informed decisions and seize opportunities. The compounding effect of knowledge is akin to the power of compound interest in finance. As you acquire new information and skills, your capacity to make better decisions grows exponentially. Each piece of knowledge builds upon the last, allowing you to navigate complex financial landscapes with greater confidence and insight. For instance, understanding investment strategies or market trends can lead to more profitable choices, ultimately accelerating your wealth-building journey. To harness this compounding effect, it's essential to seek ongoing education and skill development actively. This can take many forms, from enrolling in formal courses to attending workshops, reading books, or engaging in online webinars. The more you invest in your education, the better equipped you will be to adapt to changing market conditions and identify lucrative opportunities. Additionally, surrounding yourself with knowledgeable mentors or joining professional networks can provide invaluable insights and support. Reflecting on my own experiences, I can attest to the transformative power of continuous learning in business. Early in my entrepreneurial journey, I faced numerous challenges due to my limited understanding of financial management. However, by dedicating time to learn about budgeting, cash flow, and investment strategies, I was able to turn my business around. Each lesson learned not only improved my decision-making, but also instilled a sense of confidence that propelled me forward. In conclusion, embracing a mindset of continuous learning is vital for anyone looking to accumulate wealth. By committing to lifelong education and skill enhancement, you position yourself for greater success and resilience in the ever-evolving financial landscape. As we wrap up this discussion, it's essential to recap the key points we've covered regarding the importance of understanding and closing the performance gap in your financial journey. Recognizing the distance between your current financial status and your goals is the first step toward achieving millionaire status. By identifying this gap, you can develop a clear roadmap that outlines the necessary actions to bridge it. Remember, understanding your unique value zone, selecting the right business model, and managing your resources effectively are all critical components in this process. Now, I encourage you to take actionable steps toward your financial goals. Whether it's setting up an investment account, prioritizing your time and energy, or seeking out continuous learning opportunities, every small action contributes to closing that performance gap. Don't let obstacles deter you. Instead, view them as opportunities for growth and learning. Engagement is vital in this journey, and I invite you to become an active participant in our community. If you found this video insightful, please subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on wealth-building strategies. Your support helps us create more resources that can guide you on your financial path. Additionally, check out this next video. Together, we can empower each other to achieve our financial dreams and create a brighter future. Thank you for joining us, and let's continue this journey toward financial success together.